Greetings and salutations, Mr. Rooster. Everybody, we back again. Got that video uploaded. You will see it on Thursday. I'm getting ahead of myself. I went and got 80 of these little monsters, 3 foot long. I got the little sticks and limbs and stuff whittled off of them for right now. Fixing to start locking them all down in the clamp. Fire up the lumberjack tools, get the ends turned on them, and then we'll jump on the sawhorse and get them stripped and continue on and see if we can't get a glimpse at this porch rail and see what it's going to look like. Thank you, Mr. Windchime. Here we go. Whee! One turn down, 15 to go.
Are you still? Using this, or do you use that one out?
I've been using this one down there. Alright guys, we got tenons cut on the other 8. Now it's time to strip all the bark off of them. So let's sit down and have a little relaxation time on the shave horse. Shave horse time, folks. Let's see if we can get in here and get a view of what's going on with this. Too many adjustments. Is that good stuff, Walter? You hungry, buddy? I think there's some food in there. You don't have to eat the cedar bark. Don't know what it is about these critters around here, but they sure love to eat some cedar. I like leaving all these marks in here, so you know it was a handmade piece. Could come behind on this with a sander or something and really spoke shave. Put it on a lathe. Many different things you could do to it, but I'm after the hand work look. Now I'm pretty sure y'all probably want to sit and watch me do all 8 of these, right? We could probably drag this out for a couple hours. Or would you rather me speed this up a little bit? I'll say we speed it up. See if we can get that accomplished. Well, fellers and fellerettes, I'd like to tell you that was fun, but it wasn't. It's good exercise though. We got all 10 of them stripped down now, and I'm going to go through there and actually probably kind of stand them up, drop a level on them, see if I got any highs and lows and all that kind of stuff, and we'll get them all trimmed to the same length. And then I'll work on getting a saddle on that 5x5 right over there. We'll see how that goes. We got one more log to strip down here. It'll be that final top log. Anybody know where my sanding puck went? I like to keep my tools sharp. Don't forget about this handy little puck here. I'll leave a link to it down in the description so you can check it out. And if you're interested in making some log furniture or anything like that, I'll leave you a link to these lumberjack tools. Don't forget, these come in a variety of qualities, if you will. Just a little home use all the way up to like the industrial. I think I've got the industrial set, but I'm hard on my tools because I use them, so I like to get the best that I can. But let's strip this last log down. Alright folks, bear with me. It's windier and all get out. And I know you can't see that little saddle mark there, but I marked it. We're going to fire up chainsaw and see if we can trace it. were. You keep everything in line that way, and I'll...
You can't. You're not gonna be able to go down because of that one.
Let's get this one in place. And this one.
A stupid puzzle. Stupid puzzle.
Stupid puzzle. Are you dead? Camera? Nope, you're still rolling. Alright. Let's step back here and take a looky peek before it does die. This camera is about to die. Alright. Not too bad for a first try, I don't think. I'm going to poke a couple of screws somewhere right in there and then right over here. And then I'm going to get a sander and actually sand the very top edge where your arms and elbows and all that will slide against, just so people don't get splinters and stuff in their arm. And that's it. Porch railing is up. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we will see you guys tomorrow.